What's up? So I'll just give it a quick update. I haven't been able to make a video lately. I've got a lot of stuff going on. But just where things are at, fun projects. Doing a water pump on the Fox Body Mustang because it's always ran a little bit warm. And after running the stock radiator for a while, even with the stock clutch fan and fan shroud and everything, is still, it always creep up. I played with a couple different thermostats. I tried the 195 stock, 180, and a 165, and all of them like to creep up about 20 degrees higher than what they're set to, which just is, it's unreal. So I got a Mishimoto radiator, nice thick radiator. I think it's just a dual core. Either way, that dropped the temperature some, but it still ran hot. And there's no reason that with a good cooling system it should go more than 2 or 3 degrees past the thermostat opening temperature. So in the process of fixing some coolant leaks, I got a new water pump because it wasn't much more than the gasket, and I realized something. This is a standard rotation water pump. So with your crank pulley turning clockwise and the serpentine belt wrapped around the right side of the crank pulley and back up around the left side of the water pump pulley, it turns counterclockwise. So when this is turning counterclockwise, the impeller turns backwards. So I don't know what year 50 this is for, but it's not for 1984. So 84 uses reverse rotation. The impellers are faced the other direction on this. So hopefully putting that on will cut the temperatures. And with good cooling system, I will feel confident enough to actually break in a flat tappet cam. Because you got to do like a 2,000 RPM idle for 20 minutes or something along those lines to break it in. And I didn't think I could keep the car cool enough for 2,000 RPMs at 20 minutes of 2,000 RPM revving. So maybe going to do some cam work in the near future. Other thing I've been playing with is I got this sub panel wired in. I took some shady wiring, ran it into a sub panel. Still have some somewhat shady wiring, but I've also got 220 volt now, and I've got breakers that'll actually trip because it was not set up that way before. So that's a little bit safer. Then on the other side over here, got the Samurai lifted up because there's some weird stuff going on with the wheels. It's just hard one-handed. You might not be able to see that because I can't hold it still, but you might be able to hear it. So this whole assembly is moving up and down, and it's doing that on both sides. So I'm hoping that it's just the actual bearings right in here. So that's in the near future. Making some little rock slider guard kind of things for the rocker panel on the Samurai because these are all caved in. It's still a little bit bent, but it's going to be sturdier. So be interesting to see how this turns out, to have it back up and rolling down the road without making weird crunchy noises like I'm dragging rocks underneath it. There's nice 311050s in the Supermoto. All right, y'all, take it easy. I just want to give a quick update where things are, and hope y'all doing well. Stay warm. Bye.